Okay, I'm going to show you guys how you can transfer videos and photos directly from your iPhone or your iPad onto your computer, your Windows-based computer, directly without using any kind of software or anything. So you're not using iTunes or anything. It's a direct transfer. What you need to do first is hook up your iPhone or iPad. And then what you want to do is you want to open up File Explorer, so you can open up, if you have, I'm using Windows 8.1 by the way, but I can click on this folder option in my File Explorer. We'll open up here, or another way you guys can open it too, you can basically just, like, if you have my computer or it says this PC or computer, this icon here, you can just double click on that and the File Explorer will open up. Or what you can do is, another way to open it up is you can just go down here and you can just right click on the Windows Start menu and you can go to File Explorer. Okay, so once you have this window up, guys, what you want to do is you want to look under here where it says Device and Drives, and you want to look for something that says iPhone. Like, here's my iPhone right here. You can see that it's connected. If your phone is connected and it's not showing in here, make sure that your cable is plugged in correctly, and look on your phone. You may have to allow it or trust this phone to be able to be in contact with your computer. Anyway, so here's my iPhone, and I'm going to double click on it. Then you want to double click on internal storage, and then DCIM, and then I have a bunch of folders in here. Now I have some, let's say I have some photos and videos I want to transfer from my phone, and I want to put it onto my computer. So what I'll do is I'll find the particular videos and photos that I want. So let's just go into this folder here. So I'm going to double click on that. And okay, so here are some photos here. Now if I right click, I can adjust the size. So if I go to right click, go to view, and I can go to details, and I can see all the details, the size of files and everything from here. Or I can right click, go to view, and I can click on small icon, medium icons, large icons, just like that. So let me just go ahead and go to extra large icons, just like this. Now what we have to do, now this is this right here is my iPhone. Okay, so let's say I want to transfer these photos here onto my Windows-based computer. So what I have to do now is I can open up another window. So we can just go ahead and double click on this PC on my computer. Just double click on it, and another window will pop up. And I'm going to put these windows side by side. And of course, you guys can also go, don't forget, you can right click, you can go to File Explorer there as well. And just a quick note, if you guys don't have a My Computer or this computer icon on your desktop, then simply just right click on your computer like this, go down to Personalize, and then go down to Change Icon, Change Desktop Icons. So click on that, and then you can see all your desktop icons on here. So for example, my computer is checked, so it's right here, but I want the recycle bin on there as well, so I'll go ahead and just click on OK. And then what do you know, my recycle bin's on here as well. Okay, so from here you basically have two windows up, guys, and find a destination folder where you want to put your pictures and videos onto your computer here. So let's just say, I don't know, let's just go to my videos folder, and here I'll just make a folder here, and I just call this one idiot. Okay, so basically I want to transfer these these 4 photos into my idiot folder here. So what I can do is I can select basically all of them, hold down control, you can click each photo or video that you guys want, or you can simply just kind of just hold the left mouse key down and kind of drag it all like this. And then what you want to do here, you want to go ahead and right click, and you want to go to cut. Okay, now remember, guys, this is very important step here. Okay, once I go ahead and I paste it into here, the photos in here are going to be deleted. Okay, and it's going to be going into here. Now if I wanted copies on both sides, what I would do is I would simply click on copy. Okay, so if I clicked on copy, so if I did this, so if I went and just highlighted all these and I right click and I go to copy, if I copy these guys, it's going to, I'll have a copy on both sides, on my iPhone as well as my computer. So if I could double click on this idiot folder, you can see that I have the same photos on both sides. So let me go ahead and delete this. Now this is really important for you guys, okay? Now let me just, I'm going to delete these photos here. And what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to do a cut. And watch very carefully, because you guys can only transfer from your iPhone to your computer. You cannot go backwards, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I am going to move all these. So I'm basically going to right click and I'm going to go down to cut, and then I'm in this idiot folder here. I'm going to right click and I'm just going to go ahead and paste it. And once I do that, now look, those photos are not on my phone no more. However, if I wanted to bring it back, guys, I cannot. If I go ahead and copy and I try to paste in here, guys, I mean, you cannot do that. The only way to do that, you have to use a different route. For example, you have to use iTunes. So just remember, that's really important, guys. If you guys want to transfer videos and photos, you can do it from iPhone to computer, but you cannot go backwards. You got to use a different way. For example, you have to use iTunes. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have questions or anything, just comment below. All right, thanks, guys. Bye.